Hello everyone. Today's explanation is about handling text files. Handling text files, we mean by it access data in the text file. What do we mean by access data in the text file? It means that we can make a new text file, write a text file, and read from a text file. We will take an example and ask the user to input a list of names and write them in a text file. So first we need to make a new file. We put a new file and we put between parentheses and quotations the name of the file we want to create and put beside it .txt, which means we are creating a new file. Then we put in variable name file, a condition which is open and between brackets and quotations, the name of the text file we created, which is names.txt. Then we have a variable name. We put in it an input message to the user between brackets and quotations. Please enter name. So now we're asking the user to enter his name. When the user enters his name, we will have a while condition. While name is not equal to XXX, we put it between quotations. We will enter now the while condition and put in name file, which is our variable that we put in it the new text we created, which is names.txt. And put beside it .writeLine. So now we are writing in the text file and put between brackets the variable name which the user entered and save it in the variable name. Then we will change the variable name and put in it a new input message which is please enter name. So now we're asking the user to enter a new name. So we re-entered while loop since the name is not equal XXX. While when the user enters XXX, it means that the while condition is false and we must end it. So we put end while, then we must always close the file when we finish from it. We put name file, this is our text file, dot close and empty brackets. How we can read from a file? We will take an example how we can read and print a text file. So we have our text file which is called names.txt. We put it in variable name file and we open it. Then we have variable name. We put in it our text file which is saved in variable name file. Read line and beside it empty brackets. So now we are reading from the name file. Now we have a while condition. While not name file dot end of file, it means while the name file didn't reach the end of the file, we will print all the names in the text file. So we enter the while loop and put print and put in it the variable name. So now we are printing the first name found in the text file. To read the second name in the text file, we put also in variable name the new read line. We are reading now the second line in the text. So we put the name file, which is our text file, dot read line. So now we are reading from the second line. We re-enter the loop while not name file dot end of file, we will print the name found on the second line in our text file. When we reach the end of our text file, the while condition now is false, so we get out from it by writing end while. Then we close our file text, which is named namefile.close, and we put empty brackets. So in the while loop condition, not namefile.endOfFile remains true until there is no more records in the file.